Hi, I'm Frank from Gilbert's Hardware. I'm here going to show everybody how to do a screen repair. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your a tool called the awl. That's what you're going to do is use that to pry up your screen, your spline, to hold your screen in. Helps you out. Just come all the way around. Pull out your old screen. The screen we're going to be using today will be black aluminum screen. What you generally do is get the size of your screen. This is going to be a 24-inch. You're going to take your scissors. You're going to use that to cut your screen. And then generally what you want to do is you want to start with your two long sides first. So what I do is I start off about 1/8 inch from the track. And I roll that right into the track, first row. And then I want to clip my corners, relieve the screen a little bit. And you want to take your spline and roll that right into your track. Just nice and smooth. And I flip it around, clip my corners again.
No, price first.
Then I roll my second side. Then I partially take my second side here. I partially go into about 2-3 inches. I flip it to the short side.
By 30, and then I will
Roll that.
down out 4 right hand side.
I'll roll this all the way to the long side. Then take your spine and pull that out. Because you always want to go all the way around. You never want to clip your corners. Your spine. And then you do your last, fourth side last. And at the very least, then you do your, cut your spline, tuck in all your spline, and then cut all your, do all your trim last.
Where are you going to?